In this video, we listed the 5 best Mibro smartwatch on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Mibro C2 Smartwatch. The Mibro C2 Smartwatch is a feature-packed wearable designed for fitness enthusiasts and individuals seeking comprehensive health monitoring. With a sleek and sporty design, this square-shaped smartwatch features a 1.69-inch TFT touchscreen display with a resolution of 240*280p. The watch offers a range of health metrics, including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, steps tracking, distance tracking, and calorie tracking. Compatible with Android and iOS systems, the Mibro C2 Smartwatch supports various languages and functions such as passometer, fitness tracking, message reminders, call reminders, push messages, alarm clock, and heart rate tracking. The watch is Bluetooth 5.0 compatible and comes with the Mibro Fit app for easy connectivity and data analysis. With a battery capacity of 270 mAh and waterproof grade of 2 ATM, the Mibro C2 is suitable for daily wear and light water activities. Originating from mainland China and bearing the Mibro brand name, this smartwatch offers intelligent health monitoring and customizable watch faces, making it a versatile and stylish accessory for adults looking to track their health and fitness goals. Number 2. Mibro GS Smartwatch. The Mibro GS Smartwatch is a cutting-edge wearable device that combines style and functionality for health-conscious individuals and sports enthusiasts. Featuring a round 1.43-inch AMOLED HD touchscreen display with a resolution of 466*466p, this smartwatch offers a vibrant and clear interface for tracking various metrics such as heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, stress levels, steps taken, distance covered, calories burned, and a wide range of sports activities with support for 70 sports modes. Equipped with GPS functionality, the Mibro GS allows for accurate location tracking during outdoor activities. The watch supports multiple languages and functions including passometer, fitness tracking, message reminders, call reminders, alarm clock, compass, countdown timer, and more. With a battery capacity of 460 mAh and a waterproof rating of 5 ATM, the Mibro GS offers a long battery life of up to 24 days in daily mode. The smartwatch is compatible with Android and iOS systems and comes with the Mibro Fit app for seamless connectivity and data analysis. Originating from mainland China and bearing the Mibro brand name, the Mibro GS Smartwatch is a versatile and reliable companion for individuals looking to monitor their health and fitness goals with style and precision. Number 3. Mibro A2 Smartwatch. The Mibro Smartwatch is a sleek and functional wearable device designed for active adults looking to track their health and fitness goals. With a round 1.39-inch TFT touchscreen display and a resolution of 360*360 pixels, this smartwatch offers a clear and responsive interface for monitoring various metrics such as heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, steps taken, distance covered, calories burned, and other activities. The watch supports multiple languages and functions including passometer, fitness tracking, sleep tracking, message reminders, call reminders, remote control, alarm clock, heart rate monitoring, interactive music control, calendar, countdown timer, and calculators. The Mibro smartwatch has a battery capacity of 350 mAh and is waterproof up to 2 ATM, making it suitable for daily wear and light water activities. Compatible with both Android and iOS systems, the Mibro smartwatch features Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity for seamless data transfer and device pairing. Originating from mainland China and bearing the Mibro brand name, this smartwatch is a reliable and stylish accessory for individuals seeking to stay active and informed about their health and fitness progress. Number 4. Mibro T2 Smartwatch. The Mibro Watch T2 is a feature-packed smartwatch designed for active individuals seeking advanced health and fitness tracking capabilities. With a dual-core 2-in-1 chip, a vibrant 1.75 AMOLED screen, Bluetooth calling, GPS satellite positioning, a 6-axis motion sensor, and an impressive 105 sport modes, this smartwatch offers comprehensive monitoring for various activities. It boasts a 10-day battery life, updated 4PD heart rate monitoring, and 2 ATM waterproof rating. The Mibro Watch T2 is equipped with BLE5, 3 connectivity, a 300 mAh battery, and supports 35 languages. It features a sleek design with a metal, plastic cement, and liquid silicone body, along with silicone and leather strap options. The smartwatch includes essential functions such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep tracking, steps, distance, and calorie tracking, all displayed on a sharp 1.75-inch HD AMOLED screen with a resolution of 390*450 pixels. The Mibro Watch T2 is compatible with the Mibro Fit app and offers a range of functions including passometer, fitness tracking, message reminders, call reminders, interactive music control, alarm clock, and more. Originating from mainland China and meeting CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, the Mibro Watch T2 is a stylish and reliable accessory for health-conscious individuals looking to elevate their fitness journey. Number 5. Mibro Lite Smartwatch. The Mibro Lite Smartwatch is a stylish and functional wearable designed for active individuals seeking essential health and fitness tracking features. With a 1.3-inch touchscreen, AMOLED display, detachable silica gel band, and round alloy case, this smartwatch offers a sporty and modern look. It includes metrics such as heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, and sleep tracking, along with activity tracking for steps, distance, and calories. The Mibro Lite is waterproof up to IP68 standards and features a 200-2300 mAh battery with magnetic charging support. It is compatible with Android 5.0 or iOS 10.0 and above, offering a range of functions including passometer, message reminders, call reminders, alarm clock, countdown, and more. The smartwatch supports multiple dials, has a system compatible with Android Wear and iOS, and includes Bluetooth version 5.0 for seamless connectivity. With certifications including CE, FCC, and RoHS, the Mibro Lite is a reliable accessory originating from mainland China under the Mibro brand, catering to adults looking for a versatile and user-friendly smartwatch experience.